Assalamu alaikum class. Today we are doing conditional sentences. There are many types of conditional sentences, but we are focusing on the most relevant and used types of conditional sentences, that are conditional type 1, conditional type 2 and conditional type 3. These are the base. If you understand these three types, you will be able to learn about the other types easily. I am going to show the difference between conditional type 1, conditional type 2 and conditional type 3. You have heard these terms. Before we start, I want to tell you what is a conditional sentence. Conditional sentence is a sentence with condition and a result, and it starts with if. For example, if we do certain thing, then we will get the certain result. For if he works hard, he will succeed. In this sentence, if he works hard is a condition, and if he works hard, if he fulfills a certain condition, he will succeed means he will get the result. So keep it in mind that this type of sentences consist of two parts and starts with if, that if a certain things happen, we will get a certain result. These three types are used for specific purpose. Condition 1 is used for real situation in the future. It means that there is a possibility of its happening in the future. For example, if he works hard, he will win the competition. It means that if he puts some effort, if he works hard, his hard work is an effort. It shows that he was not doing well in the past. If he works hard now, if he fulfill a certain condition, then he will get the result in the future, that he will succeed. If he works hard, if he puts certain effort now, he was not working hard in the past. We are imagining the situation that if he fulfill a certain condition, there is a possibility that he will win the competition. If you play tricks on people, means he was not playing tricks in the past. Now if he play tricks on the people, they will not trust him again. He will not be furthermore trusted. So it consists of two parts, condition and a result. And a result is always produced, we always get a result after fulfilling a certain condition. To form it grammatically, conditional sentence, as it shows it's by its name, it is a condition that fulfill a certain condition and get the result. It consists of two parts, conditional part and result part. It starts with if. In first part, that is conditional part, present indefinite is used and we will get the result in future. If we do a certain thing, if we fulfill a certain condition, then we will get result in the future. It means, you can keep it in your mind, that a conditional type 1, either you are doing a sentence, you are fulfilling any option, keep it in mind, if present indefinite plus future indefinite, that is conditional type 1. Conditional type 2. Conditional type 2 is used for unreal situations in present or future. What do we mean by the unreal situation? By unreal situations means that we do not think that situation is possible, or we don't think that it is going to happen. It is purely imaginative. Keep it in mind that it is purely imaginative. If he worked hard, he would succeed. In this tense, past tense is used. It does not mean that we are talking about the past. It means that we are talking about the future. But when we use the past tense, it gives the message that it is not possible for him to fulfill in the past. It means that he was not working hard. If he worked hard, अगर उसने मेहनत की होती, तो he was not working hard, and he will not be working hard in the future. There is no possibility of success. The condition type 1 and condition type 2, in the both examples, we use the same sentence. If he works hard, he will succeed. And now if he worked hard, उसने मेहनत की होती तो वो कामयाब होता. अगर वो मेहनत करेगा तो कामयाब होगा. Both of these sentences in both sentences we talk about the same situation in future, but we use second conditional for imaginary or unreal condition in the present. So we are imagining an unreal situation. की होती तो कामयाब होता, अब तो उसने की ही नहीं. So this is unreal situation. If you play tricks on people, they would not trust you again. Here again condition is imaginary. If you play tricks on people, किए होते पास्ट में कहीं खेले होंगे, कर किए होंगे. So again conditional type 2, the grammatical form of conditional type 2 is two parts, consist of two parts, condition part and result part. First conditional, first you have to fulfill a certain condition, and second is your result part. Conditional type 2 is used for unreal or imaginary situations in present and future. It consists of, the grammatical rule for its formation is if plus past indefinite plus would have, would, should, might, could. So keep in mind that it is unreal situation, consists of two parts, past indefinite, and second part result consists of would, should, could or might. Conditional type 3, it is total unreal condition, because we are talking about the past, and past has gone, it cannot be changed. If you had worked hard, if he had worked hard, he would have succeeded. It means it cannot be fulfilled now, but we can imagine that if a certain condition was fulfilled in the past, that is if he had worked hard, but now he had not worked hard, so he will not succeed. It is totally unreal situation, because past cannot be changed. So we can say conditional type 3 is total unreal situation in the past. Again, grammatical format of this type is also the same. Condition part plus result part starts with if. If. When we start the sentence with the if, it means it is a conditional sentence. In condition type 3, we start the sentence with if plus past perfect. And the past perfect, as you already know, past perfect consists of had and third form of the verb. If, past perfect plus would have, should have, could have or might have. Once again, I am repeating for you. Condition type 1 is used for real or possible situations in the future. Condition type 1 is used for real or possible situation in the future. Condition type 2 is used for unreal or imaginary situation in present or in future. And condition type 3 is used for unreal situations in the past.